What's up, you guys? It's your Skinny Boy Randy. Today we're going to do a potting soil mixture and see what works the best. I've been trying stuff for years and years and years. I've been growing my whole life. So I want to try things with just potting mix. I want to try things with vermiculite in the potting mix. Let me focus. And I want to try the worm castings. I never bought worm castings. This is the heaviest bag that came in the package. And these all came from Amazon, you guys, if you want to order. So I have some potting mix. I have some vermiculite. I don't even know how to spell vermiculite. Yes, I do. V-E-R-M-I-C-U-L-A-T-E. Vermiculite. Again, L-A-I-G-H-T-L-I-T-E. Who cares? Light. And then worm castings. You guys, I wonder if there are worms in there for real. I don't know. This thing, I ordered it because I've been watching all of my fellow YouTube friends. You guys are the best. I mean, you guys are the best. I don't even want to start calling names because I just don't. I'll call the names. I'm going to do a shout out to everybody who gave me inspiration. But yes, you guys, I'm going to do a potting mix. It's organic potting mix. There's a difference between potting mix and potting soil. Potting mix has no soil. Vermiculite helps you with moisture flow and keeping everything from getting too compressed. A bunch of rocks, if you ask me. Just kidding. And then the worm castings. You know how we do playing in the worms growing up. We play in the worms. And the worms go through the ground. When you pull up a piece of wood or anything, you see all those worms? Man, they making our life keep going. And I'm going to show you guys how it turns out. We're going to do a video on that, okay, you guys? I love you. You're the best. It's your Skinny Boy Randy. Peace out. I love you guys. You're the best.